I'm Olaf. Let me show you how I made. Make a place for me to stand. Wish it were clear and transparent like ice. I was born on a day when snowflakes danced from the sky. It's a winter with snow pouring down. Now it's time to start creating me, little by little. I need a sparkling, pure white color. Dreaming of getting a twinkling Santa hat as a gift. My face is full and round, just like my little body. Show me I'm so excited and happy that I can't help but dance. My cute little carrot nose will sit on about a quarter of my face. The mouth needs to be big. It's the secret to becoming a snowman full of laughter. My cheeks are very big to hold all my laughter. I want to play with you for a long, long time until winter ends. I need to make the neck strong and thick so my head doesn't fall off. Thank you for sketching me so delicately with love. My body is round and looks like it could roll away, but it's firmly in place. Do I start to show up? Bit by bit now. I'm a happy Olaf, so my body is nice and round. Paint me in sparkling, snowy white, please. Since I might melt when it gets warm, please fill me up with as much white as you can. With your delicate hands, my heart fills with happiness. I feel like I'll be able to meet you very soon. I felt at ease because you made me slowly, without rushing. It's because I enjoy every moment with you. Our shadows on the snow slowly drew closer to each other. Everything has found its place, and my body is finally complete. Now, it's time to give me my eyes, my nose, and my mouth. Could you make my mouth a soft blend of white, black and navy? Remember, this color will be just as important when you make my eyes. Think of how I looked in the sketch, and make me look just right and lovely. When I smile wide, my teeth should shine bright and white. Keep a spot for my teeth, and let my mouth open wide. I opened my mouth wide in laughter, and whispered to myself, I wish this moment could last forever. Now, make my eyes. I need that same color from when you painted my mouth before. Before the white part of my eyes is made, a shadow is needed to show how big they are. With my two eyes, I will look at you with the most beautiful gaze in the world. Make sure my two eyes look about the same size. With the shadow in place, doesn't it seem more full of light? You're using white, then, could you make my teeth too? The sunlight hit the snowflakes, making them sparkle. In that light, your eyes sparkled too. Now, I can gaze upon your eyes like that. Thank you for placing my carrot nose just right. I am already enough, but you make me even more complete. I feel like I'm becoming an ever more beloved present to you. I promise I will repay your heart for as long as I live. I love the spring that you love too, but I wish spring would come slowly. I want to stay with you for a long, long time without melting away. Now that I have eyebrows, it's so much easier to open my eyes. Could you bring me a little branch to place on my arm? I'd be so happy if you made my fingers so I could gently touch you. My heart feels like it could soar into the sky with joy. Please place the branch securely so it doesn't shake. I'm fine without buttons, but at the very end, please gift me the perfect button that only you can give. You're sprinkling a few more snowflakes so I won't melt, aren't you? Thank you. It feels as if you've come into my little world. It's as though you wish to hold me within crystal clear, transparent eyes. At last, I think you're about to crown me with the hat I've longed for. Exactly. That's the one. I've longed for a Santa hat so dearly. How amazing! You made the hat look just like the real thing. Now, I'm ready to go on an adventure with you. I feel like I've become Santa Claus. Wow, your world is full of things that shine like this. Could it be that this is for me? I'm truly touched. Thank you for giving me something so precious to you.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly, la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel.